Hey everyone, happy Friday. It is so good to see you today. I'm glad you tuned in to watch our Class Connect, kind of Class Connect. And so, what do we need to do today? Well, you'll notice in the class plan that today you need to be using that Quizlet to review. So, click on today's agenda. And then down at the bottom, click the Unit 8 Quizlet. And what I want you guys to do today, you'll probably have to click where it says open a new window. That's going to get you into the Quizlet program. What I want you to do is spend at least 15 minutes learning and studying the vocabulary for this unit. If you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see here's the terms and the definitions. So study those for a little bit. See what the words are that I want you to know. Remember the unit test oftentimes focus on vocabulary. There'll be a little bit of you telling me, counting atoms, telling me how many, say, oxygen are in a reactant. And there will be an equation that you need to choose the correct form that's balanced. But other than that, it's mostly going to be vocabulary. So just look through here, make sure you know what all the vocabulary is. Notice we've got the different types of reactions, be able to identify those. That was what we worked on Wednesday. And once you've read through the terms, then you've got all sorts of fun things you can do. You can click on the Learn that will give you some multiple choice options, learn the different words. You can click on options to kind of choose how you want these to how you want to learn them, I guess. You can play some games. You can play the gravity game or the match game. You can take a practice test, and on that one, you can once again change the options. You can make it so there's no written responses, and it's just matching multiple choice, true, false. Okay, so work with that at least 15 minutes. If you're struggling with the words, spend more than 15 minutes. After you do that, what should you be doing? Well, if you are missing anything or if you scored low on anything in Unit 8, get that taken care of today. Make sure you are strong in all of your scores in Unit 8. To know for sure where you're at, click on grades. And when you do that, just take a look at each of the grades in Unit 1. Make sure you should have 100% on those counting atoms because the answers are in the video. So watch the video. If you didn't watch the video, watch it. Each one of these, you're going to need to look through the lessons, find out what you didn't know the first time you took it, and find the answers so that you can get the right answers. The constructor response, if you click there and read that class announcement, you'll know exactly what you need to do. And for the balancing practice screenshots and the Khan Academy, click on those and make sure you're looking at the instructions. For example, the Khan Academy one, I have an alternative website that's a little bit easier if you're struggling with that. Okay. So for Wednesday, that types of reactions, if you miss class, you need to watch the video that's either in the lesson or watch the Class Connect video because you're not going to know the answers if you don't do that. All right, so that's today. Get Chapter 8 caught up. If you could get Chapter 8 where everything's green, that would be awesome. And after that, if you are not passing, what you should be doing is clicking on grades, scrolling down, paying attention to how many points things are worth because everything is weighted by points. So if you're missing, say you're missing Unit 7 test, holy cow, that's 45 points. That's probably why you're not doing well. So don't just go in and take a test, review first. Get those 45 points instead of taking a test where you don't know any of the answers. Okay? So, have a great day. And if you have any questions, email me. I do get the email on my phone, but I am away for the weekend until Sunday. But email me if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.